Hey, Eli.
Eli.
How you doing?
Who's that? There, Grandma, take a picture. Tell her, so we just came from the airplane. We just came from the airplane.
Did you? Did you have a good time?
Mommy did tell you how we were up there, and he said, are we going up here by heaven? And everybody laughed.
Yeah? Did you get to fly the plane, Eli? No. No?
You gotta see the drivers, didn't you?
What do you see there, Eli?
I see you.
Oh, you see me. You see any alligators? No alligators? What does that big sign say? It says, beware of alligators.
Just don't feed the alligators. Ready?
Okay.
I'm about to come back to life. This is about
Okay, Eli, how you doing?
Let me see its mouth.
I'm gonna name it Bluefish.
Okay, let me see its mouth. Does it have a tongue?
Yes. Very tiny, 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 tiny.
What does it do with its tongue?
I think it just keeps falling.
I could just eat it.
What?
You eat it. You know what Nana did once? She swallowed a fish, the whole thing. Cute little fish. Why did it die?
Because it was drinking.
Jump in.
Fish there, Eli.
Hey man, my old lady's right there if you want her to watch her. She's in the black bathing suit.
What's that, Eli? It's a fish? Did you just catch it? Who did? Your mom. She caught it with a net. That's pretty good. Look at that. There's the other fish.
No.
Yeah, he's gonna die, Eli, if you don't put the fish back.
Eli, put it back. You have to put it.
Good boy, Eli. That's awesome. What you got in your net, Eli?
Yeah, where's the bait?
The bait. We've wasted all the bait. We caught 2 fish with a 99-cent net and some sweet and salty.
Sweet and salty stuff. That's the
Sweet and
ticket.
salty.
Okay. That's pretty good. E?
Okay, it's gotta go back in the water quick.
My brother caught it without bait. I want to put him straight up.
I want a picture with my camera, E. So don't kill him yet.
I'll hold him in the water He's trying to swim away.